Oh, hello guys. Today I can use my webcam. And you guys are maybe like, why is your page so small? Look at my page, guys. It's so small. I did not. Sorry, guys. I accidentally paused it. But guys, I know something went wrong. But today we're gonna be playing some Bloxburg. Guys, the last time we played Bloxburg, it's always boring, but this one will be cooler. We're going to have, I know someone, like, we might build a house. I'm really sure, actually. I'm watching some YouTube too, actually.
This one is even smarter, and you can use it in schools.
It's time to record. Put my screen full. There we go. Well, guys, we might add some music. Just like, I'll pause the video. Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, guys, I had to pause it 3 times already in like a minute, because, well, guys, when I find out how to start using my webcam, actually, I have a good setup now. Actually, a way better one. Wait, can I show you right now? I wish I can. Can I? Wait, I don't remember building a house. Guys, I'm telling you the truth. I do not remember building a house once. Well, I got some ideas, guys, that I can show you. Actually, we're going to work for a while. I'm still loading in the game. I hate when that happens. I'm still loading in the game on Roblox. Wait, I'm actually loading in fast. Okay, let's make some beef. So, guys, if you hear the song, that's actually my favorite song. The song that I'm singing to. Only my favorite song, actually. When I play hockey, I actually listen to this. It's so good. Well, guys, if you want to see some Gravity Dashes in the next video, just tell me, because I will do that. I forgot about it. Well, guys, I wish I had a lot of money, because actually, yeah, oh, that girl has a mansion. Then, my game, guys, we lagged, oh my god. Actually, I did not lag. When I'm using my webcam, I lag. Holy. You guys, in the description, if you want to learn how to record like this, it'll be in the description below, the recorder. I'm gonna ask this girl, hey. I just went straight in it. For what? I'm poor. Please. Because you just saw me break down my house right there. Okay. Oh, she only donated $41. We're gonna try to ask some people for some money. Sure. Guys, there's like, make sure to stay tuned for this one video, because I'm gonna show you, this one video is gonna show you donate. I kind of messed up there. Bruh. Sorry. So record, please. Please. Okay. Music, any money? Okay. Anything. Cute Ice Rainbow. That's a good name. Yay! Okay, I'm getting more money, guys. So, I'm getting more money a day. Oh, who's that? Who's that? Ah, shit. I'm gonna get that 10. Donate. Guys, okay, should we go and build? I think we should go and work, guys, actually. Well, guys, we're gonna work for a little while. Well, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna snap my fingers. And that means that's when we're gonna get a lot of money, okay? Then we'll work, okay, then we'll have lots of money. Real lots of money. Oh yeah, the song game playing. Do the feel right. Okay. Work. Man, my money really low. Huh. Huh? What happened? Oh, that was a hack. Well, my chance is off. So I don't need to work. I know. I got some random money. I just finished my work, so I just said if I wanted to work again, but nope, I just finished my work. This way. Well, guys, I'll be back. I just have to go and get a drink, actually. Got it. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just came back. So, I know I just ate something. I went to take a drink. Oh, sit. That's what I'm gonna need. Just sit for a little while. I'm pressing sit. Hello? Can I sit? That's weird. How's my health? Doing bad. Oh. My game froze. No! That's okay. I got perfect. How's my gaming working?
It all gets cleaned here. Put no cleans the cleaner. Finish dishwasher cleaner. All the way the greasy top.
Guess what phone this is in the comments below. I'm actually eating. I'm eating something that I forgot what it's called. This song is about to start. I hope you guys can hear it. Oh God, I just really love the music. Well, guys, we only got like 6 more minutes together. So, guys, I hope you made it at this long at the video, because what did I say? I said I was gonna show you a secret thing. So, if you guys want to make a secret thing, first you have to make a wall. Make a wall back here. Whatever you want. Be like a lab. So say you want that, and I'm just gonna build my house. I kind of messed up on my house, so I'll delete that. But okay, so when you do that, you're just supposed to, I think, grab this. No, where are those poles? Pillars. Yeah, I think it's a this one. Somehow I think you're supposed to put another one. Then I think you're supposed to grab one of these doors, and you're supposed to go this way, and you're supposed to slide. You're gonna hide that there. Now you see, you can't see it. So that's kind of weird. So now you're just gonna go in kitchen. Then there's gonna be like those. You're supposed to go in kitchen counters, storage, tables. Grab like a cooking a table like what you use for TV on boxes. Like I really like this one. Say like that one. Oh my god, having trouble with this one. You have to find. I'll go with this. Oh, I kinda add that. Add like a TV. Make sure to blend this in with that. See, now you can see the hiding spot of it. So when you blend that in, you're gonna grab like a TV or something. So electronic. You're gonna grab a TV. Oh my god. You can grab any kind of TV. You're gonna go with this one. But we're gonna need a real big TV, guys. You're gonna need a bigger, big TV than that. You have to save up to make this thing. Bruh. You're gonna grab a big TV. Then you could add some stuff back here, cause this is how it's. So you're supposed to add some more stuff to it. So now when people walk in, can they see that? This way. I gotta add a door, guys. Sorry. Gotta delete this wall. Wait. 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 What you want? What you want? Okay, I'm asking that guy what he wants. So person. Oh my god. We got a door, and let's just go this. Let's just use this one. Come on, do it fast. Bam, bam. Then look, people can't really see that, but you can only know that when it's there. So stinky. Then you will only know, but then you're supposed to do that. Then somehow supposed to try to slide in. Then you can make it in your secret. I dial so you can make it in your secret room. Then that's how you make a secret room, guys. This title might be just how to build a secret room. See you guys.